Okay, next is describe the effect of dielectric on a parallel plate capacitor. So effect of dielectric on the parallel plate capacitor, we have two type here. First is when the battery is disconnected. So you kena take notes lah. Okay, when the battery is disconnected, what will happen to this capacitor? Okay, disconnected maksudnya you buang daripada supply. You buang supply. Okay, initially the plate are separated by a vacuum and connected to the battery, giving the charge on plate Q plus and Q minus. Okay, so you ada ni lah, dua charge. Okay, and then the battery is now removed and the charge on the plate remain constant. Maksudnya initially you charge dulu capacitor and then you remove battery. So after remove battery, charge on the plate remain constant. Maksudnya berapa banyak yang di charge tadi, yang itulah charge yang akan terduduk dalam kapasitor ni. Okay, so contohlah charge dia waktu ni berapa? 10 mikrokulom. Dia charge dapat 10 mikrokulom, so then disconnected from the supply. So charge dia remaining berapa? Still lagi 10 mikrokulom. Takkan ada extra charge lagi yang akan berlaku pada this capacitor because battery now is removed. Okay, next, when the dielectric is placed in the electric field between the plates, the molecule of the dielectric tend to become oriented. As you know, dia adalah dielectric, so dia ada polar molekul yang unpolarized, maksudnya duduk secara random. And then after kita masukkan dielectric inserted into this electric field, so what will happen to this polar molecule? There will be tend to become oriented. Dia akan tersusun, nampak tak? Okay, dia akan tersusun. Okay, lepas tu the result is build up the positive charge on one surface of the dielectric and of the dielectric and of the negative charge on the others. Maksudnya susunan adalah negatif positif. So dia akan susun secara polarized lah. Okay, then after kita insert dielectric tu, the number of electric field line within the dielectric is reduced. Perasan tak? This one kita ada berapa? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 electric field line. Okay, after kita insert dielectric, yang polar molecules yang dia tend to be oriented tadi tu, dia akan replace electric field. Okay, jadi dekat sini electric field kita berkurang sebab tadi ada 12. Sekarang tinggal berapa? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 je. Maksudnya daripada 12 electric field line menjadi 7 electric field line. Maksudnya electric field line ni adalah electric field strength dia akan berkurang lah. Bila line berkurang, strength dia pun berkurang. So dekat sini dia bagi tahu lah. Okay, epsilon naught maksudnya sebelum insert dielectric nilainya dari 12E, betul? Lepas tu bila dia insert dielectric, electric field strength dia tinggal jadi macam 7 line saja. Jadi dia berkurang lah electric field strength dia tu. Okay, because the new electric field strength is less than the potential difference V. Okay, maksudnya electric field strength E naught dia lebih besar daripada E. Maksudnya E dia berkurang lah daripada E naught. Sebab new electric field strength is less than the potential difference V across the plate is less as well. Maksudnya kaitan dia ada kaitan dengan V equal to ED. Okay, sebab kita guna parallel plate. Okay, disebabkan bila kita insert electric field line berkurang, maka electric field strength berkurang. So what will happen when electric field strength berkurang? Okay, distance kita ubah jadi dia constant. Bila E berkurang, V akan berkurang. Maksudnya V reduce. So V reduce because E reduce. Okay, so V is smaller while Q remain constant. Why Q is remain constant? Because battery is disconnected. Okay, battery disconnected, Q remain constant. So ini ayat penting lah. Okay, then you can compare by using equation. When V is smaller, so C will be increase. Okay, so capacitance is increase. Okay, macam saya cakap tadi, kalau kita nak perubahan pada kapasitor, kita kena relate dengan dielectric juga. Maksudnya untuk yang kalau dia kata kapasitor bergantung kepada apa, dia bukan bergantung pada Q dengan V lah. Sebab semua ni bergantung based on E kan. Maksudnya kita tak boleh cakap kalau C ni dia bergantung pada Q dengan V. Sebab syarat dia kalau kita nak kata C ni bergantung pada siapa, kita kena sebut yang ni. Ni lagi tepat. Epsilon naught A over D. Macam ni just macam kita nak compare secara kasar macam tu. Maksudnya kan ada kaitan dengan V. Bila V decrease, so C akan increase sebab case Q ni adalah constant. Okay, so untuk this one Okay, untuk yang ni adalah comparison bagi energy store in the capacitor. So kenapa saya pangkah dekat sini? Sebab saya tak boleh guna equation ni because untuk case ni C berubah, V berubah. Jadi kita boleh compare. Maksudnya apakah jadi pada energy store kalau case yang disconnected. So you tak boleh guna comparison yang ni. Okay, you hanya boleh guna yang ada Q saja sebab case awak Q constant. Jadi equation Q ni constant, jadi C increase, U akan decrease. Okay, okay, macam tu. So untuk when the battery is still connected, okay, bila battery still connected, okay, initially plate are separated by a vacuum and then kita insert. Okay, battery is still connected and the charge on the plate will increase. Maksudnya selagi supply tu ada, maksudnya charge dalam kapasitor akan increase lah sehingga maksimum. Okay, so when dielectric is placed in the electric field between the plates, the molecule of the dielectric tend to become oriented. Maksudnya bila kita insert je dielectric inside the capacitor tu, dia tend to become oriented lah, sama macam case yang disconnected. Okay, and then dia akan tersusun, and then kita nampak dekat sini electric field line pun berkurang. Bila electric field line berkurang, maka you punya electric field strength pun berkurang. Okay, so dekat sini yang sangat penting lah, the result is build up the positive charge on the surface of the dielectric and other dielectric and the negative charge on the other. So the number of electric field lines within the dielectric is reduced. Okay, reduce daripada tadi 12 jadi 7 kan, contoh. Okay, tapi after a few seconds, the battery will detect that have a lower potential difference between the capacitor. So the battery ataupun electric supply tu akan pump additional charge untuk samakan balik electric field yang hilang tadi. Sebab apa? Sebab dia still connected to the supply. Supply ni tugas dia tak boleh ada langsung perubahan potential tau. Maksud bila perubahan potential antara capacitor dengan supply. Supply ada 9 volt. Tiba-tiba dalam capacitor kita asalnya ada 9 volt juga. Tapi bila once you insert dielectric, so the capacitor will reduce, voltage across capacitor will reduce. Okay, so contohlah menjadi 6. Daripada 9 tadi jadi 6. So apa akan jadi? Bila 6, bateri tu akan detect bagi signal, voltage dia dah turun jadi 6 daripada 9 tadi. So dia kena top up charge supaya voltage dia akan remain back to 9 volt. Okay, so honestly macam you kena cakap lah, kalau case yang melibatkan still connected, okay, still connected, so means that the electric field will reduce for a moment. But after a few seconds, the battery will detect that they have a lower potential difference between the capacitor. So battery ataupun electric supply will pump additional charge until electric field before and after is equal. Okay, because the new electric field strength is constant, so E constant, so the potential difference across the capacitor or plate will be constant. So E sama dengan V equal to ED kan. Jadi bila E constant, V akan constant. So bila V constant, apa akan jadi pada case ni? Q dia akan increase lah. Sebab apa? Macam mana kita dapat Q dia increase? Sebab words ni, supply will pump additional charge. Maksudnya dalam case capacitor still connected, charge you akan bertambah, additional charge. Okay, so based on equation C equal to Q over V, so when V is constant, so Q increase, so C also increase. Okay, okay, so the capacitance is increased for case sama ada connected ataupun disconnected. The function of capacitor will increase. Okay, so ini pangkah kenapa? Because kita boleh guna relation ni, because Q changing and C also changing. That's why untuk compare, kalau kita nak cari potential energy store untuk capacitor, so kita compare dua equation ni. Sebab kita tahu V dia constant. So bila V constant, C increase, U akan increase. Bila V constant, Q increase, so U akan increase juga. Okay, so macam itulah. Jadi conclusion kita boleh buat for capacitor ni, bila kita insert dielectric je, sama ada dia charging atau sama ada disconnect ataupun connected, so dua-dua akan menghasilkan capacitance increasing in capacitor lah. Okay, so that's all. Okay, thank you.
Okay, as a conclusion, okay, this is the circuit after we insert dielectric. So we have two cases where whether disconnected from a battery atau battery remains connected. So untuk disconnected from the battery, V akan decrease, Q akan constant and capacitance increase. Okay, when the battery is remain connected, so as you know that V akan constant initially, E akan decrease. But several time after that, the battery will pump additional charge until E equal to E0 lah. Maksudnya E dia akan jadi constant. So bila E constant, so V akan constant. So then QE will increase because a pump additional charge, and then capacitor is increase. Okay, so inilah setup dia. Satu ada battery, satu tak ada supply. Okay.